Hi guys, good afternoon from Nigeria and good morning, evening, or whatever from whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching this and whatever time you're watching this. So, as usual, this video is about it's tutorial on visual design. If you check my page, if you check my YouTube channel, you will see some other content that I've done, most especially about Canva, introducing Canva to beginners, and how you can effectively use Canva. You understand basic graphic design generally. So now I want to talk about presentation. I'm working on presentation design. Presentation design, it's a challenge for people to create. People have difficulties in creating outstanding designs, outstanding design. I have a presentation that I've done sometimes ago about how to ace your presentation, how to model your presentation. Yeah, that was the word I used. So how to model your presentation, how to create a standard presentation from the content to the visuals to the delivery. All right. So if you need that, you can let me know in the comment section and I would send it to you personally, or I might drop the link. So it's like a series. So it's a series. So I think if you need it, just drop your information and I will send it to you personally. All right. So um, talking about presentation designs, in recent times, AI has done a lot of good for us. Different tools are coming up, different products are coming up using AI tool, and presentation design is also something that AI tool that these companies are building. They're using AI to build tools for us using these AIs that we can use for presentation, and we have a lot of them, even the how would I put it, the old tools, yeah, are also incorporating AI into their system, into their package, you understand, into their softwares, so that we can use AI to fasten our work. And it's an era of AI revolution and stuff like that. So AI for presentation, the tool that, as you can see from the title of this video, the tool that we'll be using today is Gamma app. Gamma is one app that I love most, because of its quick embracement of AI. Yes, Gamma, embraced AI tool, and one of the things that made me like Gamma is because fine, some of the tools are free, yes, to some extent, while some other tools, around other competitors are paid. You have to just probably use the AI tool for months and you have to pay. But Gamma has a lot of free version, and on points. Let me say, yeah, is it on points now? Credits, and it's actually nice, so you can explore the AI tool as much as you want before you buy it. You get. So three things that I will be there are three sections that I'll be going to in this video. Three sessions why I choose Gamma, why I am using Gamma. All right. So during the teaching, I'll be focusing on three major aspects. Yeah. So Gamma is a tool that you can use for a lot of things, for presentation designs, for website, for social media, for a lot of visual designs. I'll be sharing my screen shortly, and you'll be seeing the things that you can use Gamma for. So, but for today, I'm focusing on the presentation design part, and not just the presentation design, but the AI integration in presentation design in Gamma. Let's get started. So I will be sharing my screen right away. All right. So as you can see my screen, this is my Google. This is my browser. So if you go to Gamma, so it's gamma.app.app, and you hit enter. Voila, you can see what we have here. So Gamma, you can see um product, solution, pricing, about on pricing. Bring your ideas to life. Gamma is your AI design partner for effortlessly, presentation, website, social media posts, and so many, so more. You can see some of the things that you can use Gamma for you can create doc presentation, documents, websites, social media. It's actually really, really nice. You should explore the other aspects of this Gamma app, of this Gamma app too. It is very, very nice, very nice. And I think the pricing is not that expensive, as you can see. So for us to, if you want to register for free, the basic for you to create simple deck and site, zero, you are not paying anything, no commitment, and the good thing is you don't have to put your card, you know, you don't have to put your card. So what you get is 400 AI credit at startup, basic AI image generation, credit generate up to 10 cards. That is, 10 cards for your presentation or website. The free plan also includes 2,000 AI token inputs, unlimited gamma, and user. You can import and export as PDF and PowerPoint, which is one of the things I love most. I love much about this gamma app. The fact that you can export as you know PPT, and you can go edit it on your Microsoft PowerPoint. It's awesome, and website builder. So these are the features that we get for free. And if you want to go for the plus, it's $8 per month, which is awesome. The pro version is $15 per month. I'm not paid to advertise for Gamma, but it's one of the AI tools that one of the tools that I like most for presentation. And I teach people that are not really design inclined, to use this, and also designers. It helps us to speed our work when it comes to basic presentation. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. So you come here. So let's start for free. So I'm starting for free. So my email address, I'm going to put my email. So continue with my email. So now I have to go confirm my email. So let me quickly go confirm my email, and going to confirm my email. Going to confirm my email in a few minutes. What is happening? Google with a lot of security features here, and which is great. Opening my email. All right, so I've seen the email, so I've clicked. So let me copy and paste the verification link on the video I'm sharing so that we can see. So this is my verification link, and you can see I'm in. All right. So I'm in. My first name, let's just autofill. English password, let's use a strong password and continue. Okay, are you following? Yes, make sure you're following. So basic information, what do you want to use for work or personal? Educator, let's just move on. Let me just click personal. What kind of work do I do? A designer. I move. So basic things that I want to use. So I want to use Gamma for create presentation from scratch, done blah blah blah. Let's just click, randomly, and stuff like that. So how did you hear about Gamma? How did I hear about Gamma? I actually heard about Gamma on LinkedIn. Yes. I think it was on LinkedIn. Yes, it was on LinkedIn. So let's just continue. Not now. Let's move on. Yes. So here we go. So you've registered. This is what you see, what you're going to see. What do you want to do? Criteria. So these are the so like I said, I told you that the three aspect of creating presentation with AI on Gamma is what I will be focusing on. Okay. So these are the three. First is pasting text. So you can create presentation, you can create a website and stuff, whatever from notes. So if you have an outline, if you have a note or a content, you can paste in the text there and the AI generates whatever you need for you straight up and you can edit, which is awesome. Now, good thing one great thing about Gamma is that you can also use Gamma to create your prompt. So if you don't have any information, if you just have a prompt, you don't have any, I mean, you can use it to create content. If you don't have your content ready, just a prompt, you put it there and it generates the content and it turns that content into your presentation or your website. And also you can also import existing files and for your presentation or existing presentation, existing website. So that is what we have. So for now, let me go home. Let me click on the home. So this home is where I get like my dashboard. All right, like this is my dashboard. So what do I see in my dashboard? Like I said, Gamma, is a tool for creating some presentation or some website, social media and stuff. So that's where you see all, you can see all these stuff. So um so this is recently viewed. This is the only thing that we've viewed, the Gamma tips and tricks. So you can share, look, see, check what was shared to you, your website, whatever you've created, AI images that you've generated. Gamma also helps you to create AI images, for your designs. Awesome. Templates. You can use some templates, and that template you use it, you put your content in it and stuff like that. Inspiration themes, custom fonts, trash and all about that. So this is my workplace. That is, I think that's basically all about the menu bar. Get unlimited AI. This is to increase my to subscribe, to go pro. So I have 400 credits. How can I get more credit? Let's click. I can upgrade. I can refer a friend. If you copy your referral link and send to a friend, you are going to get 200 credits. How does this credit work? When we start using the AI, you will see it. So these credits are for the AI features of this app. So as you're using the AI features, your credits are going. So you can use your referral code to get more credits. Then you can also invite a teammate, which is also the same thing. All right. So without further ado, let's move on into it. So I don't want to waste much time. Now, three things that I said. First is you can copy your text inside your content. I mean, you can generate your content and you can also upload content. So let's start with the one that is the most awesome, which is generating content using prompts on Gamma. That is the big one. Is very big, like as that. So create new AI. So this is where we get create new AI. So how can I? So you see that, yeah, we are back to the so what do I want to do? Do I want to paste in text? Do I want so quick one? Let me just go back a little. You can see. So if what you want to do, you can create a new document from blank. Yeah. You can also import your document. So you can import AI import. You can import your plain text. You can import whatever. But um, let's create a new with AI. Right, we are creating new with AI. So the pasting text, like I said, generate and also import. So let's generate, which is what I said. That's the first thing I will be doing, which is one of the big thing in Gamma. Now, what do I want to create today? Presentation, web page, document, or social media? What do I want to create? I want to create presentation. All right. So presentation, how many cards? Remember, for the free version, Gamma can give you up to 10 cards. So let's create 10. 10 card means like 10 slides. Default style, do you want it to be 4:3 aspect ratio or 16:9? Most presentation, most screens use 16:9 aspect ratio. So Let's use the traditional one. English. What language? Let's leave it like that. So now we can see these are example prompts that you want to use, right? That example that you can use now. But let's say, what do we want to create? What should we create? Let's should we create something about football? I'm not a football fan. Okay, let's. I don't know why, because Champions League is coming. Champions League final is coming by the end of the month. I'm not a football fan, but I'm going to watch it just to enjoy myself. So let's just create something. Should we create something about football? Oh, this let's something about destination, about the best destination in the world. So let's say something like top 10 destination in the world. So what do I want to top 10 vacation destination in the world and benefits. Should I say top 10 or should let's say top 5? Top 5. Create outline. So um awesome, 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 awesome. Wow. Now let's take a step backwards. A step backward. Now we can see this is what we just wrote. Generate outline and it gives us that outline. Look at it. Wow, it split it into card. Remember, we said 10 cards. So let's see what happens here. Top five. So card one, top 5 destination and their benefits. Unlock blah 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 blah. Number two, the transformative power of vacations. Now it now listed them: Santorini, Japan, the Maldives, Italy, and Canada, and gives us all these things. We can see awesome. So if you want to break a card, if probably you want to break this into two, you can use you can type dot dot for card break. So it's going to remember. So once I type it, because we have exceeded the limit. The limit is 10. You can see. So I don't want to upgrade. So let me just Control Z, and go back to. So you can see this is our content now. This is our outline. I mean, so Gamma is going to generate the content based off this outline. If there's anything you want to remove, you can remove it. All right. So let's move on now. Some part that I love most about this Gamma. Just look at it now. This is theme. Okay. Um, you can see the lower part here. I'm still using. I still have my 400 credits. All right. When I generate the design that I want, the PowerPoint, the presentation, I mean, that is when my credits get used. So theme, what kind of theme do I want to use? I can view more theme. Let's look for something lively theme that goes with vacation. Something cool. I don't know. Should we search for a theme? Let's look for something um let's just go to let's look for cornflower breeze sounds like something. So look at how it's going to look. I'm not sure I like that. Let's go. So there are some new things that has been added. Oh, look at this sprout. This looks like a vacation stuff. What do you think? Looks like a vacation. Yes, let's use this. That we've selected our theme. We can always change the theme later on when we're going. Now this is my theme. Now content. Now see what Gamma has. Awesome. You can decide, the content. How do you want the content? Do you want the content to be brief? The amount of text per card. Do you want it to be brief? Do you want it to be medium? Or do you want it to have enough detail? Most time I use medium, but okay, for this example, let me use detailed. So detailed text per card. Let's use detailed. Now, image source. How do you want to search for your images? Do you want to be automatic? So it could select either from stock images, or web images or AI images, illustration, animated GIF, or just empty placeholder that you can upload your own images yourself. All right. So remember, you can also say don't add images. You can tell it not to add images so that you can put your images so that it doesn't put placeholder. It just puts only text. But what is a vacation presentation without images? Now it's not nice. So what should we do? Let's say AI images, generate AI images with. So good thing about it is any images that you select here, anything that you select here, you can, once it generates the images, if you don't like them, you can go back to changing them, to change them later on in your presentation. You can also change it back to regular images, stock images, or you can even use change the AI image. You know, sometimes AI images might not give you what you want, so you might want to change the prompt of the image so that it helps you generate nice stuff. So let's use AI images, ML model, Google Black Forest Lab. I don't know what, I really don't know much about this model, but I think I use Flux Fast and other image generation too. So we've gotten our stuff. So let's generate, generating. Ooh, Vula, don't close this tab. Generating. So that is our slide. You can see because we said detailed text per slide per card. That is why it's giving me all this. Wow, if not for the explanation, within 5 minutes you have your presentation. Basic enough, sleek, not too complex. No, something that you can use basically. Oh, awesome. This is dope. Wow, this is dope. So showing me tips. All right. Let's go. Awesome. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. See the content, look at the design, vacation, look at the image. Awesome. Transformative power of vacations. Look at this. You see, look at this. What you did, icons. I can hide the icons myself. So let's go to straight reduction. You can find the icons in the media in gamma. So let's straight reduction. Let's look for someone resting. Rest. Let's look for rest. Might some of these icons. I'm not sure I like them, but let's just use random stuff. Let's just use this. So you can decide to go change the icons. You can bring in the icons from. You can upload your own icons yourself. You can see image upload. So what is this? Enhance creativity. So let's look for creativity. What can we use for creativity? Idea. Yeah, let's do something about idea. Awesome. So improved relationship. What should we use? Relationship. Are we going to get anything? Okay, let's use love icon. And the last one, increased happiness. Happy. Happy. Smiling. Oh, awesome. See, this is awesome. You can see I have inputted the icons myself. Look at that. Then see Santorini Grace. I think why did they put the images of this location is because we told it to put detailed content deleted text per card. If we had reduced the card, I think it would have added images, but we can actually do that. So you can change the layout for it to add images. So you can change the layout, you can um see, you can change the layout here, you can decide so that to accommodate for images, and you can also tell the text to be reduced. All right, so you can um do that, rewrite the content with AI. Look at all this. Awesome, 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 awesome. See, this is awesome. This is Now let's present it. Let's see how it looks. Mm, Let's see. Wow, wow, wow. Basic, simple, sleek, and awesome. All right, that is so. I'm done presenting. So let's say we want to change images. Yeah, let's say this image. I want to change this image here. We can see this white guy, and I'm in Africa. Let's say I want to change it to a black person. So you come here, you can see edit image here. You can remove image. You can ask AI to do what? To do a lot of things. So let's edit image now. Edit image. So like I said, you can change it back to whatever thing you want. So you can try to upload image or web search or use images from Unsplash, Giphy, or stuff like that. So let's use AI images since we are talking about AI for presentation. Look at the prompt. Relax people, this, da, 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 da. So let me put relax African male and female enjoying tropical sunset and stuff. So let's generate. Oh, what is this? I don't know. I don't know why that came up. I really don't know. Okay, let's go back. Did he? What's happening? I don't understand. Um, I don't understand why the image. I think we can just. Oh, really? That's funny. That is funny. That is funny. That is funny. What is happening? What is happening? Let me go back to my home. So this is what I've created, and I think something is wrong with the prompt that is generating it, or something is wrong with the model. All right, so basically this is how we go back to. So if you want to change any text, you can set to change the theme. So let's say I want to change the theme. I don't like the theme, so I can come back here and select the theme that I want. So let's say I want to change the theme to something else. Let's say, okay, this for example, change theme. So once I click it, it automatically changes the theme. Awesome. See, but this is not really nice for this kind of content. So let me change it back to my previous theme. Okay, let's check this out. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, so that is all about it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I don't want this video to be too long, so this is how you can create. So let me go back the um to the home page. So create with AI. So this is what we did. We generated everything within AI, within Gamma. So if you have your text, you can paste the text content here. So it helps you to, you can then split the content into cards. So once you fill in the content here, it takes you to that page where we get to split the content into cards. All right. Then if you want to import your file, you can import your files. As you can see, PowerPoint, Word document, PDF from Google Slide or from any URL from website. So it imports the content and you can then go back to creating your presentation. So let me go back to home. See, I have just used 40 credits. So this 40 credits was used to generate my gamma. My gamma is my presentation. So the presentation that I generated, 40 credits was used. So it means you can create like up to 10 presentations for free. You understand? Like AI generated, I mean. So if you are not using AI generated image, then you don't have anything to fear. You get. So I think that is all for now. Let me just stop it here so that I don't get to, to be too, get this video to be too long. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. I only cover the AI part for creating presentation with Gamma. The other parts to use AI, as you can see in the app, and also the other things that you can do with the app apart from using AI. But this is it. Maybe in my next video tutorial, I can talk about other tools, that have AI in them, that have embedded AI to create a presentation. But for now, I think that is all. Bye. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know. Drop your question or your query, and I'm going to answer them. All right. Bye. Peace out.